Suar Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kawai ke Kynthei Briew, kebanang ni nanong ba aslong, kalau ujor i jahar sigi pulit, hak wai tarik naitung aja pun Briew. Kita Ngut ki Briew, kita tip kerteng kum utam behera, uganish power, berucaran khilari, kila pengop yaka, pakan rung syakawai ke company, kita tip kerteng kum kakiunan, pakila pengop, tak apa ong pakan yonong, bun Shah onda rung hakani ke company. Pada hakani ke jing Shah pengop, keladu ai lai pen saulak tingka. Kani kalau ngat kum kubur, bagi pulit kila pelat, Pat ba ke website jongki.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride